Hey folks, big news out of Canada today. The New Democratic Party, or NDP, has just dropped a political bombshell by withdrawing its support for Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's Liberal government. This move could potentially plunge the country into election chaos. NDP leader Jagmeet Singh made the surprise announcement on social media, accusing Trudeau of caving to corporate greed and letting Canadians down. Singh didn't hold back, calling the Liberals weak and selfish, and asserting that they don't deserve another chance from Canadians. For those who might need a refresher, the Liberal Party won a minority of seats in the 2021 election. To keep the government running, they entered into a confidence and supply agreement with the NDP. This deal was supposed to keep Trudeau safe from confidence votes that could topple his government, at least until June 2025. In return, the NDP was able to push through key initiatives like a new dental care program for low-income Canadians and a national pharmacare plan. They even got legislation passed to ban the use of replacement workers during strikes and lockouts. But here's the kicker. The Liberals have seen their support nosedive in recent months, while the Conservatives are surging in the polls and are now the clear frontrunners for any potential federal election. Singh defended the NDP's move to end the agreement, citing an even bigger battle ahead against what he calls conservative cuts to essential government programs. Singh warned that Conservative leader Pierre poilievre would slash public spending to benefit big corporations and wealthy CEOs. He argued that the Liberals are too weak and too beholden to corporate interests to effectively fight for ordinary Canadians. Singh believes the NDP can be the change, restore hope, and stop the Conservatives. Interestingly, Conservatives had previously attacked Singh for being a sellout due to his role in supporting the Liberal government. Poilievre even called on Singh and the NDP to cancel their deal and trigger a fall election campaign. Now, the NDP's decision doesn't automatically trigger an election, but they've made it clear that they're ready for one, and that voting non-confidence will be on the table with each and every confidence measure. So buckle up, folks. Canadian politics just got a whole lot more interesting. What do you think about this shakeup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on this developing story. Until next time, stay informed. Orcast Online.